Hello everyone, so I'm inside Dollar Tree and it's a super quick visit today. I just don't have a lot of time to be here, so you'll see that I'm going to share with you some quick finds. These are really pretty and they have the foiling on them, and I haven't seen them at all the Dollar Trees. This one is new to me, and so are these. Very cute. So I keep finding new bags at different stores, which is quite interesting. Have you made any wall art with the canvas bags? Or this one is really pretty. It's just simple Christmas tree, and then it has the border up top. There's a snowman. Let's take a look down this way. Lots of elves still available. And some really fun bags for the kiddos. These ones are newer to me, I feel. Oh no, I think we've seen these. You start to forget after a while. I spotted some new signs at a different Dollar Tree. Actually, the previous walkthrough I just shared, but they don't have them here, so it's super interesting that I didn't spot anything new, and then suddenly here they were. These signs here are from a different Dollar Tree. I just wanted to share with you that they have this one here with the little gingerbread, and I love the print on the back, but I'm not a fan of the snowman riding, the Santa Claus riding in the front. And then I also spotted these signs here, the Christmas trees, and I thought, you know what, I'll just share them with you. They have a vintage Santa, and they also had a hot cocoa. Yes, so this one's the cocoa bar one. So just a heads up, I hadn't seen these at any other Dollar Tree. And if you're looking for something new, I think I'll take us down. Oh, they don't have any more of those mini ones. The little plaid print, they were my favorite. I actually did some DIYs with them. Well, I just personalized them, nothing fancy. Aren't these little tins the sweetest? I just wish it didn't say I love gummies or gummies on the front, because I would buy one and then repurpose it for cute little knickknacks in my craft room, even though I love gummies. Oh, and there's some Kinders still left. They also have the M&M's packs. I'll just share here. These are a lot pricier everywhere else. I've seen them go from $3.50 to almost $6. So this is a great value if you're needing some stocking stuffers. These little wood kids, well, this specific one, the nativity scene, is new to me. I've never seen it unless it sells out really fast. But how cute if you could transform some of the little pegs into a nativity scene, like, you know, with the little people in there. So cute. And they have some of these still. Some have grooves and some are smooth, so just keep an eye out for the difference in that. I really like the simplicity of these snowflakes. They're really pretty. And these ones are newer this year. Did you find the ones that have like a little bit of fuzz on them? I haven't been able to spot them. And they have lots of stuff here. Lots of stuffies and cute little faces and lots of socks. They're so plushy. Do you have a favorite pair? I think I should add one in a Happy Meal box I'm sending out to a little girl. Oh, it looks like all of the boxes have arrived a little bit late at Dollar Tree. Well, maybe not. There's still lots of time. This stuff will sell. But for me, it's a little late, right? Because we've been spotting all these new things, and all of a sudden there's all these new boxes, which were not here. Look at the little round ones up top. And cubed ones too. They're really high up, so it's hard to grab them. Now I love them, but they have glitter, so I can't use them for food, that's for sure. I have to put cookies or something in them, so it definitely has to be a tin. These are new too. I've spotted them at a couple Dollar Trees. You can make like a flower arrangement in them, which would be cute. So they have some really pretty prints. Again, they do have glitter on them. That's the only drawback a little bit. And it's a very delicate, very little amount. I'm trying to show you the glitter, but it's not coming through on screen. And they have these tins that are beautiful. Still my favorite. I love the side, but I don't like the top, so I have a few new things here in stationery, and look at this. This is wonderful. They're Southworth, which is a brand and way pricier anywhere else. It's lined, and at this point, I don't even care. Usually I don't love lined books. These ones are bundles, so they have a few options in here. So beautiful. How nice of a gift is that with a beautiful pen or a gift card? Oh, I got excited. I was about to walk away and I thought these were all blank pages, but they're lined. And then they have some of these art drawing pads, sketch pads. I just spotted these at the other Dollar Tree as well. So these ones have a thinner page. There's 64 pages, and then this one is a heavier weight, but I still don't find it super heavy, so I'm not sure exactly. Some cute notebooks here. If you're looking for stocking stuffers, they have some fun little things here. And now they're selling packing paper. So it's not tissue paper, it's a little bit more of like that thicker stuff. Okay, I'm really impressed because I need a couple of these boxes to send out some happy mail, so I'm going to grab a couple. This is the perfect size. And the post office charges us so much if we want specialty boxes like this, or even a protective from bending. These ones here. I have to say that this Dollar Tree does have a really nice selection if you're sending out mail this time of year. I'm going to leave you with just a little simple DIY. I used some permanent vinyl. You can use heat transfer vinyl, of course, or even sublimation vinyl, I think. And I should have done this in a glitter, maybe like a gold glitter or even white. The red just didn't turn out the way I was expecting. You can still see it in real life. It looks cute, but it's not showing up so well on screen. And then I just pulled back some of the Cricut transfer tape. I hope this inspires you to customize some of the Dollar Tree goodies. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. So I bought some of the decorative balls from Dollar Tree, and I made baubles with them. So I share with you how I do that while I'm decorating the house a little bit. And yeah, have you decorated for Christmas, or are you decorating? Are you hosting Christmas this year? I hope that you enjoyed walking through with me. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it